Welcome back to another quick guide. Today I'll teach you how to display ping in League of Legends. And it's literally an easy process. Make sure to watch until the end of the video to know how it's done. So firstly, let's play League of Legends. Go to training or whatever PvP or game mode you want. So I go to practice tool, hit confirm, and here you can add an enemy champion by clicking add bot or just start a game without an enemy champion. Now pick your champion, click lock in,
Precision is the
and just wait for a
difference
moment.
between a butcher and a surgeon.
And now we're in the Summoner's Rift. As you can see, the FAS have been shown on the top right corner of your screen. Now, to disable the FAS displaying on the top right corner of your screen, just click Ctrl F. Same goes to display the FAS in the top right corner of your screen by clicking Ctrl F again. And that's how you do it. And that's all for now, folks. Hope you like and subscribe. Thank you.